channel. Kumusta kayong lahat mga katita fam? Hi everyone! For this video, mangunguha po tayo ng bunga ng malunggay. What are the benefits of eating moringa fruit or bunga ng malunggay? Moringa has many important vitamins and minerals. The leaves have about as much potassium as a banana and about the same amount of vitamin C as an orange. It also has calcium, protein, iron, and amino acids, which help your body heal and build muscle. Is it okay to eat malunggay every day? Consuming moringa powder is proven to be safe, even at higher levels. Daily dosage should be limited to equivalent of 70 grams of moringa leaves per day or 11 teaspoons of moringa powder. Does moringa have side effects? Moringa is a powerful plant, and when consumed in large quantities, some people may experience stomach upset, abdominal pain, or other digestive issues. If you're pregnant or nursing, avoid consuming moringa as the chemicals found in the root, bark, and flowers can be harmful, Smith says. Can you eat malunggay fruit? All parts of the moringa tree, bark, pods, leaves, nuts, seeds, tubers, roots, and flowers are edible. The leaves are used fresh or dried and ground into powder. The seed pods are picked while still green and eaten fresh or cooked. Hi Tita Iman, you're not still finished picking up bunga ng malunggay? Bilisan mo na dyan at tayo'y may gagawin pa. Ang tagal-tagal mong matapos dyan. Ano ba bang iyong ginagawa? Please, bilisan mo dyan at tayo'y magwawalis pa sa labas. Guys, ang dami na nating nakuha. Yan po. So, marami din to guys. Yan din natin to. Pamigay natin to sa mga friend. Kasi hindi naman natin kayang kainin. Ang dami. Ayan po guys, maglilinis na po tayo ng ating bunga ng malunggay. Pero habang tayo ay naglilinis, po si Tita Iman ng kanyang bunga ng malunggay, mag-quick shout out po muna tayo sa ating mga lovely friends. So ayan po, the Great Deep Channel, shout out, the Design One TV, Cyril TV, Annabel Tanalion, ayan. And also, ang ating team, Solid Officials, Ma'am Jesus Christ, Love and Care and Ministry, si Silvan's Vlog, Sunrise ng Pilipinas, Boss Kasunoy Official, Shelvan TV, ayan, and of course, your Solid Tita Iman Farm Channel. And of course, ang ating Motianon Vloggers, shoutout po sa inyong lahat, Hannah 31 Vlog, Siska Toros, Triple 13, Ming the Dreamer, Anford, Miss Jill Official, Wailingaw, Zander Sipat, Ado Bularon, BH44, at sa lahat-lahat po na hindi po natin nabanggit. Ayan. Thank you so much po sa inyong support. Ayan, of course, shoutout sa ating loyal friends, member Marianne Vlog, Givlan TV, Yumi Vlog, Eva FW Vlog, Mix Vlog My Journey, Dudes TV, Batok Toy, Talking Karaoke, and Divina Rulo Vlog, Miss Ricab Extension, ayan, Simply Kusina Mamita, and of course, our Miss Elabel. Ayan po guys, shoutout sa inyong lahat, and thank you, kasi hindi po ko maalala, ayan, dami pa yata tayong isa-shoutout, hindi ko na kayang, hindi ko na sila ma-remember. Sino pa kaya yung mga natin?
Tita Eamon Channel.
Tita Eamon Channel. Tita Eamon Channel. Tita Eamon Channel. Tita Eamon Channel. Like, share, and subscribe.
Tita Eamon Channel.
Thanks for watching.
Yan guys, yan po yung isasahog ko sa aking bunga ng malunggay. Meron po tayong nilagang munggo. Siyempre, ang ating sibuyas, garlic, at saka tomato with sili. At saka yung pinirito nating isda. At saka, try din natin lagyan ng talbos ng kangkong galing sa ating ding tanim, fresh from our garden. So, ayan na po yung binalatan natin na bunga ng malunggay. So, start gisa-gisa na po tayo guys. Ayan.